It's me, Avonte. Okay. So I disappeared. I know I've been gone for a while, years. And honestly, I wasn't sure when I was coming back. I did not know. So I didn't give you guys no warning, no see you later, no goodbye post. I kind of just vanished. And if you were wondering where I went, and I'm about to tell you everything though, the real version, not the cleanup, not the I was taking a mindful rest, not that version, the actual version, the real deal. For those of you who are new here, hi, welcome, and I'm glad the algorithm sends you to me. Stay for a while. So let me explain. When I started this channel, my goal was simple. I just wanted to share a couple of DIY projects, self-care projects or products, business ideas. So somewhere in life started lifing and happening faster than I can keep up with it. Here's what happened. I had a family emergency that came out of nowhere. And instead of slowing down, you know what I did? Sped up. Because that's what I do. I overthink things. I just go on autopilot. I'm sure that's what a lot of us do. I told myself, just push through it. Just do a little bit more. You got this, girl. You got this. Y'all, I ain't gonna lie to you. I didn't have it. I hit a wall. When I say I hit a wall so hard. I promise I left a dent in that wall. At first, I thought I was tired. Then I thought, okay, maybe I just need a vacation. What was actually happening was burnout. The kind that stops you feeling from tired and starts feeling like something is really, really wrong. And the scary part was that burnout became so severe that it started looking and feeling like depression. My anxiety was through the roof. Trust me, I got the meds to show for it. Things I used to love, like the projects, creating, even showing up here, felt heavy and overwhelming. But here's what I've learned. My stomach. Before I could rebuild my dreams and aspirations, I had to rebuild myself. I had to slow down. I had to learn how to manage that burnout. I had to understand my anxiety and what that mean and what that looked like. I had to stop treating rest like it was on a reward system and start treating it like a necessity. And little by little, I started to find my way back. So that's why this channel is evolving, because it took me way too long, too many years to figure out everything. So I'm just gonna hand it all to you for free. No paid courses, no paid Zooms, no, for only $97, I'm over it. I'm going to tell you where I get my projects and products from, where I source things from, how I sew subscription boxes, why I stopped selling subscription boxes, and how I got my life back on track. Everything I know. So yes, we're absolutely gonna still do DIY self-care products, bath and body recipes, handmade gifts, and all of those business ideas that make your little entrepreneur brain light up. That's not going anywhere. That's always been in my DNA. But we're going to talk about stuff nobody wants to admit to themselves and to admit that they need. Things like burnout, recovery, healing, anxiety management, journals, planners, workbook, practical tools that actually help you build a healthier and better life and a healthier and better business. I'm going to throw in some simple healthy food swaps because listen, being over 50 and fine isn't easy. Yes, over 50. Let me help you help yourself by my mistakes and my triumphs, because I realized that sometimes the most important thing we build isn't a business, a product, or a project. Sometimes the most important thing we build is building ourselves up. If you've been struggling, I sound like a commercial, and you feel exhausted, overwhelmed, burnt out, and like you've lost your spark, I want you to know you're not alone. This is a fresh start, y'all, for me, and maybe it can be a fresh start for you too. So if this sounds like something you need right now, hit the subscribe button. Oh my God, I haven't said that in such a long time. Tap the bell and let's grow, heal, create, and build together. I'm actually really glad you're here. Let's build, y'all. And for me, let's Today is the day to start. I just woke up and said, listen, I gotta get this back on track, get this engine going. Picked up the microphone, put a little bit of foundation on, picked this mic. I don't even know if this mic is working. And turn on the camera. And this is the real me talking to you. And if you want to build a healthier, more peaceful life, walk with me through this journey. And I trust me. Wow, it takes a little bit of you. Trust me, the end will be well worth it. Bye, y'all.